Hey, good evening. This is my third episode. This is October 22nd, 2016. And tonight, in the 8 minutes that I want to talk to you, I just wanted to bring up a question that I often hear about doing things perfectly. So my first thing was started from the thing that a lot of people told me, listen man, what you are doing is not perfect, the writing on the table is not perfect, you don't speak perfectly, the light is not perfect, nothing is perfect, so why do you do it? And my answer to any of this question is, this is the very reason I'm doing this, is just to show people that you don't have to be perfect to do something. So the reason I'm doing it is to send a message and to share my experiences and my subjects from coaching sessions and what my clients are working with and struggling with, and maybe I can help some people. So even if every day I only help one person to do something differently, even if it doesn't cost anything to do that, I'm very happy to do it. So just today I had a client that wanted to work on his future plans and so on. And at some point he said, listen, I usually do stuff, but then on the road towards this goal I just don't do it anymore, and I don't know why. And I asked him, listen, when you, on another period in your life, when you just wanted to do something really important, how did you do it? And he said, listen man, in this period I have a certain objective, and I did it because I was very motivated. I wanted to do it, and I thought it's very important for my life. And then every time and now and then I felt lazy, or I just didn't feel like doing it, I remembered that I really want to do it, and I keep going. So coming back to these episodes, small episodes I'm doing every evening, this is just one of the things that I'm doing to become better every day. So if the first episode obviously was very not perfect, let's say. The second one was better, maybe this one will be better, but what I'm trying to do is to do every day what it takes to get better. So probably, I don't know, 1 year from now I will look at these videos and I will laugh at myself and criticize myself and say, listen man, your writing was crooked, and nobody understood much of the table behind you, and but it doesn't matter. What I'm doing this is to get better every day. So I think by doing it, at some point I will achieve it. And now, as let's say a framework for this type of thinking, what I'm trying to set up is a certain structure of thinking. So the first thing that comes into my mind is, if I can imagine something that will happen at some point, it's very probable that I can do it, because otherwise why would I imagine it? I mean, I consider myself sane as a let's say clinical point of view, and as a person, and I'm just a regular guy. So if at some point I say, listen, I think I can do this, it's probably I can do it. After that, the second step would be, okay, if I can do this, how can I turn it into a very specific goal and very clear, with a certain number to it and a certain date and everything I need to go there. And after that, where everybody, and also myself at some point, are struggling with, is going to do every day what it takes to do it. So from time to time we get lazy, or we find different reasons not to do it, and then we say, okay, maybe what should I do, maybe this is not for me. But the reason you're doing it is because you thought at the starting point that you really want to do it and it's very important. So then you should pick yourself up and do it every day. For example, today is Saturday night. Most of the people are at home with their families, but I decided if I said I would do this every day, I'm going to do it every day. So this is why I'm doing it. It's just to make this routine better, and doing it every day makes it better after all. And on the table behind me I wrote self-discipline, because this is what I think it takes. I don't believe in some people disciplinating other people. So myself, I'm not a self-disciplined by others person, but I'm doing it every day, and I think by that I'm becoming better. So what I want you to think about in terms of self-discipline and doing regular stuff every day, just think of these 3 steps. The first one, if you imagine something now or a while ago that you felt like you have to do it and it's very important for you, go to the step 2 and make it a very clear goal and something that you can go towards. And the second one, put more lines of activities every day that you have to do in order to achieve it. And from time to time, maybe you need to acknowledge the reason why you set that goal and why it's important for you, and maybe this way you will be more empowered, and you'll keep doing it. So thank you for listening tonight. Have a nice evening and see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.